In this real review, we're going to take a look at Scrapeit Cloud. I'm going to buy it. We're going to see what the tool actually does. We're going to talk about if the product or the sales page for the product is misleading, talk a little bit about the strategy, and can you trust this vendor. Of course, Breakthrough app puts any link in front of unlimited buyers with cash in hand, point and grab. Then a whole laundry list of bullets, access to unlimited buyer traffic at your fingertips, get real buyers with cash in hand, ready to buy, get all the sales you'll ever need with no effort. And it continues on. And of course, today you can get it for a one-time low price, and we're definitely going to test that. I just want to take a look at some of these screenshots that make no sense from PayPal and Warrior Plus, as it talks about beginners are getting results. And they claim that these screenshots are from beginners or the people that have tested the software. I'm going to do my best to look past that and the fact that you have a whole list of Scrapeit clients and beta testers here that obviously give tons of 5 stars, and no doubt that you could fail once you try this product, Scrapeit Cloud, because it's just 3 simple steps. Or, as it says here, you're just 3 steps away to one-click payday. Step 1, purchase. Get your copy before the price goes up. Step 2, activate. Choose the affiliate product you want to get commissions from. Click Scrapeit and publish. Step 3 is freedom. Chill and relax as commissions getting into your PayPal account day after day. Now, they do introduce Scrapeit Cloud, and they do talk a little bit about the method. What is the application known as Scrapeit? So Scrapeit is going to extract information from product sales pages and build a product review with one click. They claim it's the easiest way to do it ever. You can click the scrape spin in order to make the content unique and publish a fresh review that will work for you 24/7, making commissions on autopilot. Scrapeit is a cloud-based review site builder that uses artificial intelligence technology to access the content and images of any product, sales pages, articles, or documents with just a single click. Of course, I'm going to test this when I purchase it, but I just want to make sure that you understand they are telling you sort of kind of what the product does. And they do have a demo here that actually shows you how Scrapeit will go to a product page, generate a product review for you. And really that's the strategy here, is you're creating a product review page. Meaning you're going to pick a product, go to the sales page, let Scrapeit scrape all the data from that page and then build you a review page that you're supposed to instantly get traffic from on the internet, I'm assuming through SEO or search engine optimization. They don't really talk about the traffic strategy at this point, and that is always the key. As well as, let's cover this, do I need to spend extra to make it work? No, never. There are no hidden charges and no strings attached. Neither hosting nor domain name, and no paid traffic. Absolutely nothing. So let's put this to the test. Because we covered enough so far about the sales page, let's just go back up after we take a look through and go ahead and see what Scrapeit offer is. Get Scrapeit at a one-time price, $197 monthly. Pay just $16.93 once and use it forever. Click here to get access now. Of course, watch my mouse as I exit off the page. And yes, of course, get a $5 discount. Click the button below. Getting affiliate commissions today, lock in your discount. Of course, if you are going to buy Scrapeit Cloud, make sure you click off the screen to get your $5 discount. Here we are, again, $67 is what they claim Scrapeit Cloud is worth. Of course, they mentioned a monthly recurring fee, but they don't mention that here. You get a 79% discount, and we'll go ahead and we will buy Scrapeit Cloud. And it took me directly to the purchase page, so I'm not sure if their funnel is broken or this is sort of the plan. I have seen this sort of lately occurring. Again, I don't know if it's a broken funnel or when we click access purchase, we'll see a funnel inside of the members area. But for now, let's just go ahead and access our purchase. Welcome to Scrapeit. You made a great decision. Now, before you start going through the training, make sure you believe you can succeed. Scrapeit has everything you need in order to success. In order to see success, they have a video here. They have a Scrapeit demo. Subscribe to the free training. Build your review empire. Register to the Scrapeit builder. If you already built your store, the login URL is. So we have to go about building a store here on scrapeit.app/login. So we'll need to go through some tutorials. And of course, they have some training on how to register your site. Homepage overview. Create product category. Manage ads and get affiliate links. How to add your bonuses. Change logo and favicon, logo creation, add domain, list building, manage your widgets, AdSense, AdSense alternatives. Of course, AdSense alternatives, these are going to be how you can run other ads, media.net, Ezoic, Infolink, Smart Ads. So this is really good, a lot of good information here. For our customers, big coupon discounts on all the funnel for Buzz, Press, Stream Store, Go News, and Crypto Planet. So there's quite a bit going on here. Access your bonuses inside of the members area. About Club membership, Club Scrapeit. Let's see here. What is Club Scrapeit? This is a link right here. If you click this link, what is this? Scrapeit Club. Leave a reply. Okay, I'm not sure what that is. That's just a weird page. Access affiliate bonuses, lead book generator, smart CPA offer, free bonuses. Typical members area here, stuck full of all kinds of different things you can register for to get on more people's email lists. Important, did you purchase an upgrade? If you purchase one of the upgrades, please click the button below to go back to find your other purchases. I didn't get an actual offer for an upgrade, so I think their funnel may be broken. Of course, here are the people behind Scrapeit, product creator and Scrapeit team, Ariel Sanders and Rodney Yard. I don't know anything about either one of them. I've never purchased anything from them before. But here's Ariel Sanders' Warrior Plus profile. He does have some other products here, so I wanted to investigate him because part of buying a product is understanding and knowing the vendor. Simply, can you trust the vendor is the question I'm trying to answer here. StreamCloud. This is one of his products. You can see it's a 3 out of 5 star rating. And when it sold, he did sell 1,000 of them for $19.90. So I clicked on that to check out Cloud Stream Store because I wanted to see if he's actually holding up to what he says. Limited time sales deal. We're always offering deals when you can get Stream Store Cloud for a fraction of the regular price for a specific time or a specified time. 50% off deal last day 1 June. After 1 Rs June, the price will be back at $129 a month. Today, of course, we're talking about Scrapeit Cloud, and it launches June 16th, 2021, which is today. But this is for a product that Ariel Sanders actually launched, and it says that this deal ends 1 June. And of course, today is Wednesday, June 16th, 2021. So let's scroll back up here and claim our special offer and see what we got. We get Stream Store Cloud for $19.90, which was the launch price, and which they claim that this deal ended the 1st of June, and this price will go back to $129 a month. As you can see here, Stream Store Cloud still on sale for $19.90. They are not selling this monthly. So obviously Scrapeit Cloud and the claim that they make here, hurry, price rises again in, and there'll be a countdown timer here. Click here to get access before the offer expires. It's not going to expire. It's fake scarcity if you go off of what Ariel Sanders has done in the past. So back to the Scrapeit Cloud members area. Again, some demo videos here. Subscribe to the free training. Register to the Scrapeit Builder. Here we go. Featured plan, professional, welcome. Build your Scrapeit site. Create my site. Why that's thinking about that, don't forget, we're just 3 steps away to one-click paydays. Step 1, purchase. We did that. Step 2, we're doing activation. Step 3, I'm getting ready to enjoy my freedom as I chill and relax as commissions roll into my PayPal account day after day. So here we are, site title. This is going to be some type of review site. So I'm just going to call it Gary Reviews. Here is a URL. What is this? Site URLs only contain lowercase letters and numbers and must be at least 4 characters. Oh, so let's do this. This is Gary Reviews. This is the actual site title, so we'll capitalize this. As you can see here, select the title going to give you your site, and we'll call it Gary Reviews.scrapeit.app. Click to continue to the next step. Username, and you are going to need a PayPal email. We'll set a password and we will create an account. Of course, here I need a PayPal account, so I'll enter an email and then I'll move on. Still waiting for it to create my account. I want to make sure you see this process live as it happens. The wheel is spinning. It is 10:19 a.m. The wheel is still spinning. I may have to pause this, but I want to see and try to show you as best I can how long Scrapeit Cloud takes to create my first site as I wait for freedom to kick in step 3. Oh, there we go. Wasn't quite as long as I thought it would be. Just so you have a time frame there. Here is our dashboard. Most people never make the cut, but you're different. You're going to succeed because you're taking action. Now, before you start going through the training, make sure you believe you can succeed. Go News has everything you need in order to succeed. I need to go through this introduction video. Make sure that we understand everything that we need to do. Scrapeit. Let's hit the scraper. Scrapeit. Start from here. Post the URL of the post to copy and go. I want to do a review page on a evergreen product that I actually use called Vidnami. So I'm going to go to vidnami.com. I'm going to go back to Scrapeit and go with vidnami.com. Fetching URL, loading and parsing content from vidnami.com. So write or change the post title. Vidnami. We'll say Vidnami review. Here are the images that it scraped. So we have some images here that it scraped right off. So we'll go ahead and we'll grab a couple of these. Select that one. Go ahead and select this coffee cup. Review overview. Here, what you can do is you can select the things that it scraped off the site that you think are important information. So let's just go ahead and select all and review features. Of course, I'm not really sure what I need. I would need to go through each one of these, and you can see that it just like copied the registered trademark here. Start creating amazing videos, name, email, start your free trial. Let's see, let's go here, select all, and done. Welcome to the block editor. Next, next, next. Get started. Vidnami review overview, Vidnami review features. Yes, let me know. Okay. Then this is published. So this looks like what they've done is they've created scrapeit.app. GaryReviews.scrapeit.app is my review site URL. That's the web page that's going to pull me in tons of commissions from step 1, 2, and 3, getting ready to enjoy freedom. Let's go ahead and click preview and preview in a new tab. Scrapeit is generating the preview. Waiting for the preview, and here is my site. Gary Reviews. Let's see, I got a tube siphon link right here, a banner, videos down here. Let's see, affiliate link, I'm assuming that's the affiliate link. I'm going to get it to be able to add my affiliate link somewhere inside of Scrapeit. That's an ad. Here is my Vidnami review by Baker Gary. Vidnami review overview, Vidnami review features. Yes, let me in now. Want more stuff like this? Don't miss out on new posts. So Crypto Planet, not sure where that came from. Affiliate creator review. This is the site that it just created for me. That was supposed to be step 1, step 2, step 3. Here we go. I can get a subscription. So here we are back inside the editor. Here you can do things inside the editor, of course. Basically, it's a WordPress editor that's hosted on Scrapeit.app for you and your site where you can build it. And then they have some additions here inside of Scrapeit. So you can do like add Scrapeit bonuses, Scrapeit buttons. So they have an additional set of buttons here for you. Scrapeit, let's see what this does. Premium labels. They have a table of contents button here. Premium labels. Here you could drag this over and drop it in. So this is all drag and drop like WordPress where you could add this stuff in. So you'd have to add this stuff in manually. Reasons to buy, reasons to avoid. So Vidnami is the first of its kind, multiple income streams, free traffic included. You would need to edit this, so you could apparently, you can click this and you can edit and delete. So you'd have to create all this content yourself. So effectively, I'm in here building a review on a WordPress hosted site on Scrapeit.app that looks like this right here. This is my demo site, Gary Reviews, high ticket info product SaaS. I'm assuming you can control all that inside of here. Let's see if we can go back to Scrapeit and leave our actual Scrapeit site. Yep, we're back in the dashboard. And then once you're inside the dashboard, here's what you're doing. You have a list of posts. So basically, Scrapeit Cloud, they've set up WordPress in a cloud-based install, and they're letting you create a site on scrapeit.app, and then you have control over your posts. So you can edit that in here, list building options. You can set up an autoresponder. Here you can integrate your apps, fetching active apps, get response. So you can add integration by clicking here. Here it's going to load up integration. So email list, I'm not sure what this is connected to. You would need to disconnect this. Why is this connected to somebody else's autoresponder? I'm not sure about that. So let's hit disconnect. Choose your list. Very confusing. Send the embeds data to a third-party application. Anyway, that's autoresponder there. Settings. Here you have your settings, general. This is basically where you set up all the stuff. Of course, this is just like inside of WordPress. Again, what they've done here by a quick look at this is they've imported or they've created a cloud-based version of WordPress, and they're allowing you to create your site. And basically, it's a WordPress site inside of Scrapeit Cloud, and these are WordPress options. If you've never seen inside a WordPress dashboard, this is what it looks like. If I log into my WordPress site right here, I'll show you inside real quick so you can see exactly what this looks like and what you're seeing inside of Scrapeit. So this is inside of Scrapeit. You have post right here. So you can see it looks exactly the same for post as well. If you go down to appearance and look at themes and menus, we'll go ahead and click on menus. Here's what the menu looks like. Go ahead, take a quick look at this. Let me close this out to the plugin pop-up. But focus here on add menu items and the menu structure. When we go back to Scrapeit, you can see here menus, add menu items, menu structure. Again, this is a WordPress hosted application on Scrapeit.app, or what they call Scrapeit Cloud. Here you can select add-ons. Then you can go here and you can add on these add-ons, but you need to upgrade to Club Member to get these plugins. So Contact Form 7, Dashboard Widget Suite. These are just WordPress plugins. You can see right here is right Easy WordPress Cleaner, optimize your WordPress database. So this is all WordPress on the back end. They've just created a cloud-based version of WordPress. So essentially, the strategy here is to build a WordPress review site that's hosted on Scrapeit.app, which is not under your control. Of course, you could just go to Google and look up WordPress review theme and plugin and get tons and tons of these same types of plugin, and you can install these on your same WordPress site. And it would look something like this right here. WP Review, which is a theme, and then you would create review sites right here using all these plugins inside of this theme that you would purchase and run it on your own hosting, controlling your own hosting, controlling your own domain, controlling your own content, controlling the fact if the site goes up or down. You can contact support, and you pay monthly to make sure that you get support when you purchase something like this, as well as your own hosting. Versus a one-time price here. Of course, they have an upgrade button where you can upgrade to the Scrapeit Club and get viral content. Scrapeit traffic. Of course, there is no traffic here, so that is the big issue. There's no traffic. So you can see here, you can join this and instantly auto-post your articles for massive traffic. They have something they call traffic. They have something where you can create an easy store. And then they have a Scrapeit agency where you can sell Scrapeit as your own product. So that's what they're doing here. They're selling you a hosted WordPress option inside of Scrapeit Cloud where you create a review site by using their tool. You saw that here where I did the scrape. You saw I scraped Vidnami. Here's my Vidnami review right here with all kinds of ad banners and other boxes. Here's the table of contents. Here's what it scraped. Vidnami review overview, Vidnami review features. Yes, let me in now with a link to Vidnami. I'm assuming if I click that link, actually it doesn't do anything, so the button hasn't even been set up. Here they have a button here, want more stuff like this, and it sets up. You can click subscribe, enter your email address, and then they have random other articles down here for Crypto Planet, affiliate creator. Of course, all that is controllable. Again, inside of the Scrapeit Cloud dashboard, you have access to create posts, set up and integrate autoresponders, buy additional add-ons and upgrades, but that is essentially what Scrapeit is. So again, Scrapeit Cloud, are you ready for a raging herd of buyers? Not sure where those buyers are going to come from. Not sure that Scrapeit.app, your review site that you create on Scrapeit.app, is going to have much chance of ranking in SEO or getting found on the first page of Bing or Yahoo even. So Breakthrough app puts any link in front of ultimate buyers with cash in hand. Scrape it and profit. Are you ready for a raging herd of buyers? There is a bullet down here I'll highlight. 30-day money-back guarantee. Probably the most important thing that you're going to need to know about if you purchase Scrapeit Cloud. Again, don't forget to exit and get your discount. If this video was helpful, give me a thumbs up. 30-minute timer right here in the middle of the screen. Click that subscribe to the channel for more awesome videos just like the one you see here on the screen. Click that, watch that one, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.